Look at this. There are 2,444 subscribers in my trading group, and we've been killing it. I want to give a few shout outs to my trading group. CBC, thank you so much. I'm up $13,000 this week. Your group's amazing. I made $47,000 in April because of your setups. This person's up 2,400, 1,500, 647%. This person doubled my money after a phone call that we had just yesterday. This person said, I woke up and I had 73% gains in data. Thank you. I woke up with 58% gains while I was sleeping. Another $1,000. That's $4,000 in 7 days. I've got a cryptocurrency trading group. I've got 6 chat groups where everybody's calling out breakouts, posting charts, working together to trade this market. I've got 41 videos in a playlist. If you don't know anything about trading at all, nothing, you can watch these videos. You'll be making profitable trades. Number one reason why people join my trading group is I post profitable trading setups every single day, and we've been killing it. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, you want to pay in crypto, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. I'll get you set up and in the group today. You pay for 6 months in crypto, you get a 20% discount. You pay for the year in crypto, you get an additional month for free and a 30% discount. If you do want to pay with a card month to month on a monthly basis, you can do so. There's a Patreon link that's in the description. This is Tezos, up 72%. You can see here's the setup posted. Here's 52% out of link. Again, bought the breakout down here. Here's the setup. Here's Ethereum, 57% gains out of Ethereum. Here's the setup. Bitcoin Cash broke out 60% gains over time. I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution, where I talk about everything crypto daily. Before we jump into this video, I want to ask you guys to smash that subscribe button. If you're trying to get incredibly rich in the cryptocurrency space, I'm going to keep you updated daily. Bitcoin technical analysis, altcoin free setups to make sure you make a ton of money trading these small cap altcoins. All the news that moves the market. We do this daily. Trying to get a like spike going, smash that like button for me. Jumping right into the market today in crypto. Bitcoin is at 93.72. This is a 3-day chart. We talked about this. The strong overhead resistance is 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level is 10,000. Until Bitcoin breaks out of this giant triangle, you can't be super bullish on Bitcoin. Bitcoin has to show me. I look at this and I say, hey, Bitcoin, listen, you've teased us and tricked us on multiple occasions already. You got to show me something different. Show me you're going to do something different. You always want to buy at support and sell at resistance. You don't want to buy right before overhead resistance. Can it work out? Sure, but is it probable, highly probable that it works out in your favor? No, you can see it's been rejected a couple times. Could it work out? My thing is you increase your probabilities if you wait and you buy the actual breakout of the overhead resistance. Now, we've got a bearish MACD cross, which it's not a good sign. The falling wedge down on the RSI, you can see the price action kind of looks like a double top on the RSI. The price action really has one way to go, and that's lower. EA is not predicting. It's an if-then statement. If Bitcoin breaks 10,000, then 10.5, 10,500, buy, right? Right now, it's just ranging. I don't want to trade this mess, this chop. You can see Bitcoin 12-hour chart. This lower yellow trend line breaks. There's some more downside, significant downside. 8,500, 8,000, 7,800, possibly down to 7,000. So keep this in mind. Buy signal. Boom, boom, boom. 10,500 breaks. We'll see 12,000, $14,000 Bitcoin. This is a Bitcoin 4-hour chart. You can see you've got this falling wedge forming, and the price action's been respecting it. We just had a bearish cross of the 50 MA and the 200 MA, and this is the 4-hour chart. This is also known as a death cross, okay? Now, this is a falling wedge, though. 68% chance of a break to the upside. So the bulls have to show up here. All the major moving averages are overhead resistance at this point. The price action's getting squeezed. We should see a move in the next 48 hours. When this finally happens and we get a move out of this pattern, it's going to be very explosive. I want you to have a plan, put it in place right now. Say, hey, if Bitcoin does this, listen, you do not want to be part of any type of move to the downside. This is the 1-hour chart. And again, Bitcoin price action is getting squeezed here. There's a triangle that's showing up on the RSI. You can see right here, you got this upper trend line here. The RSI is respecting. There is a bullish case here. Possibly this is an inverse head and shoulders. This is a falling wedge too. A break to the upside. We'll see 9,800, 10,000 again. We'll run up there and we'll tap that overhead resistance. And so if you can imagine, it's happened one time, came down, bottomed, happened again, came down, bottomed, happened again, came down, bottom, well, it happened again. It's forming like this ascending triangle here. Okay, but again, the bulls have to hold this level. I'm gonna give some shout outs to my trading group. Man, it's been amazing. I'm running on a couple hours sleep again. And these altcoins just can't keep up. They're just constantly exploding. Altcoin season. You know, and you look at Binance. If you haven't signed up for an account on Binance, go right now to my link in the description. Sign up for Binance International and get this money. This is the easiest money you're ever going to see in crypto right here. If you're sitting on these large caps and you're looking at these large caps like the rest of retail right now, and you're looking at, oh, I'm down a couple percent here and there. I'm down. Listen, wake up. The money's being made right here. It's time to wake up. You got to. Sometimes in life, you've got to go and get it. You can't just wait for things to fall in your lap. I'm just saying, you want to be ridiculously successful in anything in life, be a go-getter. Boom, OGN exploded up 67%. Hit all the targets, smashed every target. Now, this was posted about 5 weeks ago, so it took a little bit of time to play out. You got to have patience on these altcoins. This person stated, hey, Chris, thanks for OGN. I just put my first sell order in. I got 50% profits. And this person was up 32 Ethereum. The next person, he said, thanks, coach, for ERD. I profited $2,857 over the last 3 days. This person, I made $1,000 in a week with little investment. This from YouTube. This person up 17 Ethereum for $4,100 and then 1.8 Bitcoin up $16,000. This person bought Vechain up $5,000. Where do you guys get your news from? YouTube, Telegram, Twitter, blogs, newsletters? I'm just curious. In the comment box, leave me a comment. Follow me on Twitter, cryptobtc_Chris. I posted some altcoin setups that have been doing pretty well over there. This infographic shows that 59% of their participants get their crypto news through Telegram. I use Telegram for my groups, for my trading groups, and it's good. You remember, you've got a lot of your projects that have Telegram channels. And you have Ask Me Anythings, you have, any type. It's just one of these venues where, so on social media, that if you go to any one of these crypto projects websites, they're going to have a Telegram where you can ask live questions. And so, I don't know, those 60% from Telegram, I would think most people get their information from YouTube and Twitter. 25% on Twitter. YouTube, only 4.93%. What do you guys think about this? Okay, this is Steemit. I used to post videos over on Steemit. They've got a hard fork coming on July the 4th. Hard forks are software upgrades, so there's going to be upgrades done. Also, they have some news. This King Chain Media is showing up on Steemit. It's a leading agency in Vietnam for blockchain, crypto, and fintech. A lot of people were excited about this. This is a setup. Not that you would ever listen to me or trade anything that I talk about, but this is a nice one. Double bottom reversal. So you see this double bottom and then a falling wedge, 68% chance this breaks to the upside. You got your targets over here. See these white blocks? All these white blocks are the targets where you're taking your profits, right? So you're buying the actual breakout. Again, don't trade this. Fast forward this. If you don't understand anything I'm talking about, just skip it. From a banker, wake up and buy Bitcoin, this person states. Shout out to Ray. He's actually in my trading group. I got this email from somebody today, and they said, my wife manages a bank. And they just got told that they're only going to get about 6% of the weekly order of coins that they have been receiving. They haven't been told how long this is going to happen for. They're not minting new coins because of the panic situation that's going on. The death of fiat starts here. Inside sources. Hashtag bye bye fiat. Love it. My next car is going to be a Land Rover, this person stated. Look at the Land Rover commercial. Mainstream adoption. In the Land Rover commercial, it says 2009, Bitcoin network is created. Bitcoin is on the map. Land Rover is acknowledging it. No, I'm just saying this is a step in the right direction. There's so many people that don't even know what Bitcoin is. Well, yeah, I'm kind of familiar with it, people will say, but they don't really have a clue. It's internet money. Okay, well, that's where it's at. CHZ. So I posted this on Twitter. Now they've got this bar token sale and working with the Socios app. And this is going to happen in about 4 days. But CHZ has seen a bit of a run up besides this. So the important thing here is you're putting some news behind a good setup. And you'll going forward, I'm saying we got an 18-month bull run ahead of us. And you'll always want to pair solid technicals and put some news behind it. And you'll be able to make life-changing money on this bull run that we have coming up. The most important part is that you have a plan going forward. Plan right now. Here's how I'm going to do it. Get a whiteboard. This is a business. Treat it as such, right? It's important. But again, posted this setup, and you can see CHZ up 10% since I posted on Twitter. And it was actually up 50% since I posted it about 5 weeks ago in the trading group. And that's on these midterm holds. That's where you want to get to. When I talk about a midterm hold, I'm looking at 3 weeks to 5 weeks roughly. You're getting about 50% gains across the board on these guys. The most important thing here is you just have to find a good entry, right? The worst thing in the world is you buy a coin, you FOMO into a coin, and next thing you know, you're down 10%. And then you just feel like you're treading water. You're playing catch up. So you just, to stay out of that situation, you want to find good entries on these ideas. Byte is a good setup for you guys. Tons of news coming before the end of June. DeFi is hot right now. They've got a decentralized exchange screenshot I'm about to show you. This is a micro cap, really small altcoin. I believe it's about a $7 million market cap coin. That's it. They've got Ledger, hardware wallet, web wallet, and desktop wallet coming. Again, if you don't know how to manage risks or set stop losses, just ignore this. But you pair a ton of news by the breakout of this level. Okay, here's your targets over here. Byte, midterm hold after the breakout. Just sit it and forget it, man. Like, let it ride. Let these patterns develop. 5 coins to 5 million, says Tika Tiwari. This is his new latest coin pick. This is actually on my list of coins. You know, we've talked about, I like Data, Lend, Band, Link, Engine, Tezos, and Zilliqa. And that's been my list. Okay, write that down. You can't just buy these coins at any time. It's all about entry. I'm going to show you this on Tezos. So, okay, Tezos, again, Tezos and Link, you can't go wrong with them. And they're listed on a bunch of exchanges. And these are, the most important idea here is when I say you want to nail the entries on this guy, all right, you have this huge triangle. Potentially this is a bullish pennant. All right, imagine if you, once this pattern is as well as established as it is, whether this is Tika's pick, 5 coins to 5 million, or this is my pick or whatever, it doesn't matter. Because look at this. Every time the price action touches this trend line, what happens? Boom, move to the upside. This is a move halfway up. Well, we'll still take it. Okay, now here, if you're gonna get a move at least, 10, 12, 15%, there's a good possibility that it moves all the way up to the top of the triangle. As we talk about it all the time, look at this double bottom, right? Double bottom. So this is going to be a pretty good move. And then you put, okay, Pump Group picked it. It's touched down here on 3 occasions, and it's Tezos, staking. People love staking, right? That idea, because people buy what? It's a beautiful idea for these coins. Like, hey, buy these coins and hold them. Hold them, don't sell them. Like, that creates scarcity. What an ingenious way to do so. Staking is going to keep catching on. Matic's coming out and say, hey, we're doing staking now. Everybody's going to set up staking because it helps the coins keep their value. The most important idea to understand here is that if the price action breaks below this trend line, things are different. This is bad, right? And so that's why you want to put your stop losses below the lower trend line of the triangle. Russia's Ministry of Justice criticizing the proposed crypto ban. So there was a bill that was introduced by lawmakers in March, and it's believed to be the brainchild of the country's central bank. Imagine that, central bank. Dude, banks, I'd hate, if you guys were trying to replace me, man, I'd hate it too. Singapore ride-sharing app lets customers pay with Bitcoin. Mainstream adoption. Listen, we need more of this. We need more crypto payments. You guys want to sit and hold these coins. It's amazing how many people contact me every day and they've never sent crypto successfully ever. We got to spend and replenish. This is going to bring volume into the world. This is going to be, hey, guy at the deli. Hey, can I pay you in Bitcoin today? This is new. It's a new technology. Hey, guy who owns the gym. Hey, can I pay you in Litecoin? Can we try that? Are you interested? Like, it's important that we introduce people around us to. Well, it's part of our responsibility, as like we're in this so early. part of our responsibility and our duty to cryptocurrency is to help spread the knowledge. That's what drives me to make these videos every day. We have tons of new people coming into space and they just don't really understand the market dynamics. Addresses holding small amounts of Bitcoin and Ethereum are soaring, signaling growth of retail investors. Yes, retail is FOMOing into this market. Bitcoin's been up here close to 9,000, 10,000 area for a period of time, and that brings people into Bitcoin. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment below, hit the bell for notifications. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.